now listening to A-Rod Music.
Listen, I rhyme all kind of shit. Y'all like to spit vagina split. Wipe it with your rhymes and then slide it where a diaper is. You call yourself writers and don't know where your lines begin. Started out pussy ass trash that was trying to spit. Niggas lack timeliness, saying they the grindiest. They hide behind how many times a nigga clicking like and shit. You ain't gotta like my shit. Every time I type my shit, I'm headed to a town near you on a Viking trip. I am Mike Tyson hits. Make a smile bite its lips. If you want the mic, you're just gonna have to fight for it. I'ma spit fire, but the coldest ever. I'ma rip price from my cold dead fingers with an icy grip. Put it in your pipe and piss, but I'm where your lighter is. Plus for fire and desire, I'ma ride the strip. I couldn't lie, I done been through all kind of shit. Extremities are hot and cold, but it ain't about a bitch in times like these. Provoking lines like these, you hoping I might leave, but I arrive with speed. You can try with me, but you can die with dreams. And I wish a nigga would, knowing my wish creep. Make up your mind quickly when you rhyme with me, because your best line is spit quite silently. And I always end up spitting violently, cause I'm known to get it poppin' like a 9 milli. Unless you ride with me, take a passenger side, so I can be in a position to pass them a 9. Hitting clubs in town with a blast of a time. Getting lifted as a mother like the gravity died. Snatching ground from under you while you buried alive. Or I can air your ass out until you wearing the sky. Lose it all, nigga, like you don't care to survive. Or you caught off guard like you can't bear a surprise. And I'm like an open ocean that flows and never closes. You only know your boat and flow where it's hopeless. You think you getting close, but nobody noticed. A nigga had to die in order to know that I'm flowing. It had to be a life. Got smoked while he rolling. Hot blown, but his body got cold and frozen. Even more cold shoulders act like they don't know him, so they try to have him iced so nobody owes him. Trying to smoke and joke it off like the problem's gone. And they got the wrong one, and they at your door. Wouldn't grab the shotgun, saw it off on the shelf, or just grab the chainsaw and straight saw him yourself. Straight bombing on your health, show me what you got. Catch a nigga all alone, blowing up your spot till you're homeless. I'll punk you like a bum ass man. I go on and on and on and on in a marathon, a desert, guns in Arizona, leave you in the dust till I live in California. Back up in this place cause I'm really ammo roller. Had my game face way before that Mariposa. The way gangsters supposed to. Like what if Pac lived? Niggas couldn't talk shit if they wouldn't shot big. If I put it like this, niggas wouldn't stop shit, cause you can't stop gangsta after you shot them. Not them, because I still rock them. But if you wanna know the real, I still feel rock him. Cause it's not who's the best on the surface or the depth, but to just have respect for the life and the death. Now you finally correct, I'm calling mine me, doing it to death. Cause I know it's not TV. You could be a jet, but I know you can't see me. Giving niggas leeway, you still can't beat me. Going on. Dust. Dust. Dust.